Hi guys, this is Danny Antello, team leader of the Houston broker team at Keller Williams, and I'm standing today at 6427 Highland Pines in the beautiful gated community of the park at Highland Pines. Phase 1 is now completed and I'm ready to show you. This floor plan is the Highland, one of 4 available in this 32 townhome community. This home features over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Check out this beautiful kitchen with elegant finishes throughout. This open kitchen features a waterfall island with a textured cascade finish and quartz countertops. The induction range is an upgrade and it comes with pots and pans for your delicious home-cooked meals. With plenty of cabinet space and oversized pantry, all of your storage needs are met. This spacious and open living room features plenty of natural light. The luxury vinyl floors are featured throughout the home. They are scratch and water resistant with your furry friends in mind. The perfect size backyard, easy to maintain and perfect to host your family and friends for a nice barbecue. This home features 2 secondary bedrooms that can be used as an office space, a gym, or ideal to host your family and friends. The primary bedroom has all the features that you could ask for. Oversized windows for natural light, tall ceilings, no carpet, and oversized closet. The primary bath features dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. This gated community features 8 guest parking spots and a huge dog park. The park at Highland Pines is located in the booming Acre Homes community. There is so much development and commerce nearby for your convenience. Thanks for touring with me. I've got the keys to your next home. If you have any questions about 6427 Highland Pines or any question about the community of the park at Highland Pines, contact me today. This is Danny Antello, team leader of the Houston broker team at Keller Williams.